Guys, I'm gonna go over my Airsoft loadout. First of all, you got iPro. Got my high kappa. We have 2 pairs of pants on, 3 shirts. Standard high kappa. Orange tip. This is just your standard Springer. And I do plan, I just don't have the money right now to get like a gas blowback yet. We got just your average 1911 bag holder. You got a face mask that's steel. It's a steel face mask. So yeah, that's about my loadout. You can see that from the side, that from the side, and from the back. So yeah, it's a cross-draw holster. Well, it was actually just a pouch, which means that when you pull it out, put your finger over the trigger well, so you don't pull the trigger when you're pulling it out, and then bring it forward, and bring it out. So yeah, that's how you use a cross-draw holster. You got iPro, and I usually just wear a toboggan. And I do have a sniper loadout, but this is what I'm using right now, but, so yeah. You just got your average belt holding it on. That's a little close up.